She asked me this question, Coach Drew, how do I actually get over this fear of making these videos? I have the skills, I've been doing this for a long time, but when it comes to videos, I just get scared. This is common. A lot of it could come from trauma, it could come from the fear of being rejected, it can come from the fear of being seen, and it could also come from just expecting to be perfect, perfectionism. So here's something that I told this lady uh, when she said she was afraid to do videos. Now, mind you, she's very smart, very learned, 30 plus years of doing therapy, and amazing at it. I asked her this question: is it possible we can make our videos not about us, but about giving somebody else awareness who needs our solution? What I found out from even my own journey is the more I focus on how perfect I am, how perfect the audio is, how perfect the lighting is, the more I put the focus on me and not on the other person. It's not to say that you shouldn't have good audio and good lighting. Those are cool. Right now, my mic died, so I still had to record. I said, what if we can just make it about the other person? She said, how would I do that? I said, every time you put your camera on or your phone on to record, just think it's one person on the other side of this screen that needs what I have. They are yearning for my solution, and if I don't give it to them, what kind of person am I? So I said, let's do this. For the next 5 days, I want you to just aim to talk for a minute. You could talk about anything you want. That's something that you can do too. It's the 5 by 1. 5 days, 1 minute. And if you happen to go over, cool. But each day, I want you to just pick one person that you're talking to. You can even name that person. When I started doing this, I started talking to Jeff. I started talking to Amber. I started talking to Drew. And each day I realized the more I focused on one person, just for a minute, the easier it got. Yes, being visible can be scary. Yes, making videos can be intimidating. But more so if you're a coach or you're a therapist, there's something inside of you that's burning to actually help people out. And video just helps you make a connection a lot easier. It helps you actually create a bridge for someone to say, hey, I want to work with them, or I don't want to work with them. So the 5 by 1, again, it's 5 days in a row. You're going to press record for a minute. You could talk about anything you want. Now, here's the tip. You cannot stop and start. You got to just keep going. Let the bloopers come. Let the mistakes come. Just talk. You don't have to post these. I told her, you don't have to post these. And I said, the second week, we're going to do it again. And this time, I'm going to just give you a prompt for each day. Now, here are the prompts that I gave her that you can take too. For day 1, I want you to tell the audience about a problem you encountered and how you got through it. Day number 2, I want you to tell them about a day you felt victorious, but also let them know the day before you could have felt defeated. Number 3, talk about why you started. What makes you do what you do? Why did you get started being a therapist or a coach? Something clicked inside of you, or something lit up inside of you for you to do that. Day number 4, I want you to go back in time. Tell them a throwback of when you were struggling and what you did to get out of it. They almost sound the same, but a little different. Day number 5, I want you to just say, hey, I'm challenging myself to be visible. I have information, I have the knowledge, I have the expertise, but I want to be visible. I do not want to let the camera stop me. And she did those things. So for you, 5 by 1, 5 days, 1 minute. Talk about whatever you want. Step number 2, do the same thing. You can use the prompts I gave you, or if you want to work with me directly, I'll put the link in the show notes so we can give you something that will help you overcome the fear of making videos. Why? Because there's a group of people who need what you have, and if you don't show them your solution, they will never know.